Good morning. This is just a short video to show the installation of the new iLeaf Stratus unit. So this is the cover that goes over the logger. Okay, we'll just go through the logger, the actual unit, solar panel, logger, antenna. Okay, so we recommend that you put it up on a 50mm pole, 1.6 meters high. So 1.6 meters high. This is the actual pole. So length 1.6 meters and 50 mils. Okay, so just quick mock-up. So on the top you'll see the actual unit just screws in with a U-bolt. You can cable tie the rest of the cable for the solar panel. The cable is long, so if you don't want to put the solar panel on here, you can put it probably about 20 meters away, but it's normally not necessary. This is the cover for the unit, and just with normal brackets, as you can see over there, which is applied. You just screw it onto the cable, to the pole, and then the little white box where the connection takes part, it just connects on here with double-sided tape. So let me just go back to the actual unit. Once it is installed, there is only two fittings that needs to go on. So the cable from the logger screws in there. There is only one place, and your antenna goes in that place. Chanel, will just open up the box for me? I just want to show the client how to connect when they're done. Also very important is on the unit you'll see an N that needs to face north. Okay, so north for the unit to measure the wind direction properly. At the bottom you'll see there's a little level, so just make sure that the unit is level once it is installed on the pipe. It's really not a difficult installation. So once everything is installed, to get the unit up and running, the only thing you need to do is unscrew these 4 screws, open up the unit. You see that's the battery pack, that's the unit, and over there is a little pluggy that this one fits into. So I'll just plug it in quickly. A bit difficult with the camera. Plug it in, push it down hard, and the LCD should spring up to life. There we go. And that's it. No beeps, no nothing. The unit will then automatically start to send. Everything done and dusted. So if you have any queries, please mail me, gerhard at hortec, GERHARD at hortec, HORTEC, and we will gladly help with the installation. It's quick, it's easy. Yeah, good luck.